Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another video. If you want to see how we got this custom copper color crochet braids twist out, keep watching. Okay guys, this video was done live, so if you want to see all of the details of this video, I'll link the live video in the description box. But there were some pieces that I didn't when I first started recording the live that I didn't show, and that is how I moisturize her hair before we put the crochet braids in. Y'all, this is the most important part, and I use Perfect Assist Styling Aid to moisturize her hair. It is a styling aid. It is a moisturizer. It does contain water. If you are moisturizing your hair, it has to be a product with water in it. So it does contain water, and I'm doing that zigzag crochet braid method. And that's all I'm doing right here. It's just, this is the most important part. If you guys don't get anything else, know that your hair has to be moisturized. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too. But know that your hair has to be moisturized in order for it not to break and become damaged while it's in a protective style. That's a mistake that a lot of people make. And of course, I am using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid to moisturize her hair. Now, this was the live video. I'm just showing you guys how I finished braiding her hair up, showing you guys the pattern, showing you guys the styling aid. As you can see, the styling aid is not greasy. As you can see, this is my tender-headed daughter. And as you can see, she's asleep. I have to keep adjusting her head. So, of course, you guys know I detangle with the Smooth Through Detangler and deep condition. And then I use a styling aid to keep her hair moisturized, to keep it from breaking and being damaged while it's in a protective style. So I didn't show that part, but this is where the live came in. So I'm just showing you guys this part. And as you can see, like I said, this is the daughter who's tender-headed and she's asleep. So I'm just showing you guys how I tuck these braids. And if you hear kids in the background, this is the weekend. So excuse me, but yes, I have children and you might hear them in the background. Y'all know how it is. Now these are some jumbo crochet twists I had left over from, like, I don't know, probably like a year ago. And I just had some left over and I just kind of wanted to do something with them to get them out of my stash. And I'm just showing you guys how I put the crochet braids in. This braid pattern method is really good. I really like it because you don't need as much hair for it to be full. And I hope that makes sense. So, yeah, I'm just showing you guys because sometimes you guys ask me, well, how do you put the crochet braids in? And like I said, if you want to see all the details step by step on everything I did with this hairstyle, go to the live and the live will show you everything. So I'm just giving you guys bits and pieces for those who didn't catch the live. And I put up these pictures on Instagram, and there was a lot of likes, and people liked the pictures and stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys how we got this look. That's all. As you can see, I'm spacing the twists out because once I untwist them, they're going to double in volume. So I didn't put a lot of twists in her hair because I know once I untwist the twist, they're going to double in volume. And she had a part down the middle. Okay, so I'm just trimming a little bit of the excess, the little flyaway strands and off of her hair. And I think at this point I untwisted the twist already. So this is how we got the custom color. I love this color because it gives her a little kick, but not too much. And when I tell you, this hairstyle just got better with time. The older it got, the more natural it looked, the more it looked like her hair. She got so many compliments on this look, and she really liked it. So I have to find the hair, figure out what hair I bought to order some more because she really liked this look. And this is how we got the custom color. And like I said, all of this was done on the live. So if you want to see this in detail, the live will show you everything in detail. No, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't untwist these yet. I'm tripping. I haven't untwisted them yet at this point. They're still twisted, so I'm just spraying them with the color. So at first she was gonna leave them twisted for a while, but after she seen the color, she wanted to untwist them immediately. So if you want to hear all of the back and forth and the conversation that we were having and all of that stuff, you can check out the live. So you guys see how it's doubling in volume, like as we untwist them, you see how her hair is getting bigger and bigger. That's what I mean by when you add these jumbo twists in, you have to be careful because it doubles in volume. And as it gets older and she sleeps on it, it gets even bigger. So that's what I mean why I strategically put the twist in certain places and I didn't put a whole lot of them because I knew it was going to double in volume like it is.
So
Earn
hot
your
when,
way. Earn your way.
when I was a freshman, I was in the front. Now I get so hot when I find out someone's a freshman and they're sitting in front of me.
Right. And then when you were
I'm like, move.
Do you know who I
am?
Like, senior.
What grade are you in?
Right. What you said your grade was again?
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. If it ain't bigger than 12, then you might want to head to the bed.
Bye. There's a seat back there for you.
Right. Go to the freshman section. The nosebleed.
Yeah, I heard they're really friendly.
Right.
Like, go.
They're nice. Okay, thumbs up, y'all. Let me see. Okay, now look. Not you.
Oh, sorry.
Come around. This really came out cute. This really. Wait a minute. Let me see what they're gonna say. Hold on.
I really want you for my life. I like how it's ombre too.
And it's not too much. Like the lighting might make it look like much, y'all, but it's very kind of toned down. And I like the different dimension. Like it's not like between the twists it's kind of dark and it adds more personality.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe those was my mistakes. I'm calling it personality. But anyway.
That way.
Either way, it's personality.
Personality.
Mm-hmm. Told you like
personality.
Period. With a T. I really.
I feel like my lips look so ashy.
Come this way. Come around this way. What you think? What you think?
Who is you? Huh? She mad.
You like it or not?
Yeah.
Oh.
don't know why you brought her down here.
Right.
Like
I
her
just a
say-
little hateration.
Like her say even matter or nothing. No, it don't.
I mean, not you, Esty. Like, you don't hate, but I'm just...
She do.
You want to show the people your hair?
I like
We
the
popping with color. We popping in color in 2020. Like that part.
period.
I'm not going to let these people see me like that. I'm professional.
Oh, yeah.
This is the finished look, guys. I thought it came out really pretty. The color's not too bright because y'all know I ain't with all of that. You looking real extra super duper grown. Y'all know I'm not. You see the hand like y'all know I'm not with. Let me. This what we doing in 2020, y'all. I mean, no makeup.
No.
I'm coming for real. Like I'm really working. Like this is not a game.
Period.
And I ain't with the kids looking like grown ups. But I think this look really came out nice. The brown, like I don't know if the camera's catching it. The brown, the way.
Can I say something? Go ahead.
I don't think the camera's really capturing the essence of the shade mixed with the natural brown, mixed with the of my fingers with the spray bottle. So, like, turn around. You see how it's a little darker, a little lighter. I don't know. We could call it mistakes or we can call it artistry. Just whatever you want. Did you want to show the people your hair?
She doing a lot. I'm gonna have to go. Excuse me.
That's the hood. We bringing color in 2020. Like, what's goody?
Period.
Color in 2020.
Period.
We all up in what this is, fall, winter. Are we in winter yet? Winter, yeah. Yeah. We all up in winter. And we bringing summer color. We here to lighten up your day. We bringing sunshine to you. If you wherever you are, if it's raining and it's storming, boom, we here to bring you color and sunshine. Even with my scarf. Okay, I'm gonna style this. Even though I ain't beat it up yet, but you know, even with my scarf, my wig is lifted. And I haven't had time. Right, I haven't had time to either take her off or glue her back down because I want to clean her and then put her back down. But I've been so busy.
She been so busy.
Right, I had to just make it do what it do. And you might see me like this a few more times. To be honest, I'm gonna keep it 100.
To be honest,
because it's like lifting all the way, kind of like back here now. So you might see me with a hat or this, but this is what we doing in 2020. You gonna see the live me. You gonna see me, the mother me. The girl me, the woman me, the businesswoman me, all of that. You're going to see all of that in 2020. It's all or nothing in 2020. Year of the woman, year of the entrepreneur. If you're a woman and you want to do something, this is your year to do it. I don't care if you 6 to 600. If you want to do it, if it's in your heart, go for it. You don't have nothing to lose. Nothing. 2020, that's where we at with it. But I'm sorry, back to me being professional. That's why I like being on here with them because they take me all out of character. I like to be professional. I like to conduct myself as if I'm at work and this is a business environment and you guys are in my business establishment. So that's the way I like to try and conduct myself. But sometimes when they come around, they bring the other side out of me, and I don't want that side to be out. I want to stay professional. I want you guys to see me in my professional setting and know that okay, this is right here. Do you have anything to say to the people? Thank you guys for staying and watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. It helps us grow this channel because my personal goal is to be able to build this channel up to help smaller channels come up. I know what it's like being a smaller channel, but having great content, in my opinion, having great content. So I would like to help other channels come up and not have to go through the struggle, because all you need is the right shout out and it changes your whole YouTube career. And I see other people, other races do it, and I feel like we can do it too. We can bring each other up, and that's what my goal is. So what I know y'all don't ask for all that, but I'm just telling y'all what's on my heart. That's coming in 2020. I'm telling y'all what's on my heart, what I want to do. But that's it. What you gotta say? You gotta say something to the people? Or no?
I was, but I forgot.
Oh, go ahead.
You were so
okay. It was right here.
Oh, yeah.
I was feeling it.
Got it.
Here.
It
came from right up and through here. Right.
Here.
Right. That's what I gave them.
Yeah.
Exactly. You felt it.
I felt it.
I gave them my heart. That's what I did.
I felt it too, best friend.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Eye to eye. We all there with it. Right. Now go ahead and speak to the people. They ain't got nothing to say to the people. The people is waiting.
Hope you guys like my hair. Hope you guys, like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, hit the bell notification too.
Doink. Yeah.
I wasn't ready for that.
Also subscribe to our This Just Us or
Yeah, It's Just Us channel.
Just Us.
Now the It's Just Us channel, you see more of us interacting like this.
You get to see more of me. And
not,
me.
not really.
Who don't want to see more of me? Like I feel like I got something to say. I feel like
a lot of people,
a lot of people, they watch these like hair things, but they want to see like, oh, like I would love to see like how she talks and like what's up with it, and like It's Just Us channel allows you for us to get like besties on a personal level.
These are my besties.
You feel me?
You have to find your own besties, and I want to say thank you to some of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a whole nother video about that because some of y'all, I'm right here with it. I mean, and y'all don't know me from the can of paint, but I'm telling you some of the advice that you guys have emailed me, some of the things that you guys have helped me with behind the scenes. I have not forgotten about you. I'm going to do a whole, I said an email. Did I say email? I'm going to have to do a whole video about some, like y'all are ride or die. And sometimes now I understand why people put certain things out on social media. And I was the type of person, I'm like, why would you put that out on social media? Mm-hmm. That's your personal business. Why would you put that out on social media? Mm-hmm. But when I put the situation out with my daughter on social media, I got so much love. I mean, people just like, it was love. And one lady in particular, she contacted me. Her daughter was going through the same thing. And she contacted me and we just had a wonderful time. I felt like I met her. And I knew her, and I don't want to say her name. I don't want to say her name on social media, but you know who you are. I'm glad things are looking up for your daughter, and I'm going to have to contact you and just to touch bases and see where you are, how you're doing, how your husband's doing, how your family's doing. It's like I know these people, but I don't know these people. I've never even seen this woman a day in my life. But she and her husband, her family are always in my prayers. I always think about them. I'm always concerned about how they're doing because she reached out to me at a time where I needed it. She didn't know I needed it, but I needed it, and I really appreciate that. I really do from the bottom of my heart. I'm really being serious. I appreciate that.
Facts.
Now, did you want to speak to the peoples?
But like I was saying, like It's Just Ants channel, it just allows you to get like closer with me.
I had to put the link to It's Just Us
on a personal level. That's all I'm saying. Like, no cap. Like, you should watch it because I'm on it. I mean.
Did you want to say bye so we can close this video out, or are you just going to let her have it?
Not you, me.
Just me. She was looking at me.
Bye. You had your video. Get on the thing.
Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. Now, y'all really, you gonna do that? That's assault. Caught on camera.
No.
Goodbye. Bye, y'all. It's time to end. It's time to end, y'all. Bye. I'm trying to end it. Okay, let me stop. Bye, y'all. Y'all know they crazy. These are the finished look. This is the finished look. I really like it, as you can see. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and that's it, you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you like it, and I'll talk to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.